What I meant to say is kay Amelie yung Teacher Yoel. Hindi sa akin.
Sigurado ka? Para naman binibintang mo lang sa kapatid mo kasi galit ka sa kanya.
Eh kung hindi ka naniniwala ay diwag. I'm just telling you what I know.
Eh di sana, sinabi mo na agad sa amin. Eh bakit di mo sa amin sinabi agad?
Because I wanted to protect her. Because I thought ganun yung ginagawa ng magkapatid para sa isa't isa. Pero hindi pala, binebetray din pala.
Hindi ito tungkol sa issue ng pamilya niyo. Miss Baltasar, this is a murder investigation.
Alam ko. Pero di ba dapat kayo nag-imbestiga? Hindi naman ako. And I asked her about it and she said, marami naman gumagamit ng tea tree oil na yun. Tama naman siya eh. She's my sister and I believe her. Malaking kasalanan ba yun? Is it punishable by law?
Pinagtatakpan mo siya. Ang tawag doon ay obstruction of justice. And yes, it is punishable by law.
If you really want to know if she used that oil to kill Zach, siyang tanongin niyo, wag ako.
Amelie?
Melena. Alam ko ayaw mo lumabas ng kwarto. Pero hindi ka pa kumakain. Ano, kumain ka naman, please. Alam ko nahihiya ka, anak. Pero hihintayin kita maging okay, anak. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na nandito lang ako. Pwede mo ko lapitan anytime. Pwede mo kong kusapin. Anak, hindi kita pababayaan, anak. Promise.
Yes po, Inspector.
Miss Baltasar, pwede ka bang pumunta sa presinto? May mga tanong pa ako tungkol sa kaso.
Okay po. Okay po, Inspector. Dahil pinapupunta ako sa presinto. Ayoko, natatakot ako pag titinginin ako ng lahat doon. Dahil pwede mo pa ako samahan.
Huwag ka matakot, anak. Samahan kita.
Sige. Dad.
Don't worry, anak. You're safe. Pero kung gusto mo, you can do that.
Let's go. Nung nagpunta ka rito, wala kang abogado. Ngayon may kasama ka na. May gusto ka ba talagang itago, Miss Baltasar?
She has the right to a lawyer. Itanong mo na kung anong gusto mong itanong, Inspector. para matapos na to.
Miss Baltazar, gumagamit ka ba ng tea tree oil?
Didn't you ask me that before, Inspector?
Yes. Eh, nagsinungaling ka sa akin nun.
What? No!
May nakitang tea tree oil sa katawan ni Zach during the autopsy. At yun ang naging dahilan kung bakit mabilis na kumalat yung apoy sa katawan niya. Kaya siya nasunog at namatay.
And what does that have to do with me? Huh?
Miss Baltazar, alam namin sa'yo yung tea tree oil na yun.
Ha?
Ikaw ang nagpalit sa body oil ni Zach ng purong tea tree oil.
No! No, Inspector, hindi. I did not do that. Emily, you can stop answering his questions at any time.
Nagsisinungaling ka na naman, Miss Baltazar.
I'm telling the truth.
So, sino yung nagsisinungaling? Yung kapatid mo?
What?
Siya ang nagsabi sa amin na sa'yo galing yung tea tree oil.
Liv told you this?
Oo! Kapatid mo ang nagsabi na sa'yo daw galing yung oil na nag-match sa tea tree oil na nakita sa katawan ng biktima. Ginamit mo yung tea tree oil para sunugin yung biktima. Pinatay mo sa Zamora! Umamin ka na!
This is harassment, Inspector. And your accusation is hearsay. All you have is the oil na nakita sa kotse ni Liv. You don't have any proof that my client put oil on the victim's body. Thousands, if not millions, use tea tree oil. As a matter of fact, Inspector, I myself also use tea tree oil. Prove the connection of my client to the crime and we will talk. But not until then. Wala akong aaminin sa'yo. Because I did not kill Zach Zamora! And I will not answer any more of your questions.
Miss Baltazar!
You heard my client, Inspector Katapang. She does not consent to further questioning this time. I think you should let us leave.
Kailan niyo ba ikukulong yung babae niya? She needs to pay for killing my son! Sabi niyo? What?
You keep on rejecting my calls, and I had to come here and talk to you.
Just trying to get a hold of Amelie. I need to talk to her.
About her sex video?
I respected you. For as long as we were together, iningatan kita. No, tell me, was it worth it? Yung panggagago mo sa akin with Zach, was it worth it, Amelie? Can you not fight me?